Hey guys, it's your boy, Let's Go with Harry, recovering from a very serious illness. Very serious illness. Only got my voice back last night. 3 days I couldn't speak. It was really bad. I don't know, call it what you will. To me, COVID is real. And I'm healthy too. I was forced to dry fast. I couldn't speak, I couldn't eat, drink. And on last night, the 4th day, chugged up blood and mucus from my lungs, then I could speak again. So I'm getting better, which is good. Anyway, I want to speak to you about, just sharing my back with me. I want to share to you about grounding today. By the way, my voice is still not fully recovered, hope you can hear it. But the power of grounding, man. Grounding is so fucking cool. It's so underrated. And quite often in the mainstream, not even known about. The power of Pachamama. What's going on? Well, first of all the ground, natural earth, as long as it's not got that covering it, which destroys many things. But that's just the Schumann resonance, the alpha wave frequency. So when you put your feet, or any part of your body to be honest, in contact with the earth, it slows the brain waves down. It puts your brain and your body in line with the Schumann resonance, the frequency of healing. Also, the ground has loads of negative ions in it, which is the key to health. One of the keys. You get negative ions from waterfalls, from fresh air, countryside, but one of the best ways to get it is from the ground, the connection with the ground. So those negative ions run through the ground, into your feet, all the way up to your brain, and infuse your body, in every single cell of your body, with negative ions, which is what they need, energy to your body, like an electrical battery. That's exactly what it does. It's fucking amazing. It rebalances the brain, it fixes, if you ground long enough, it can heal trauma. It makes you feel more centered, more calm. Grounding lowers blood pressure. Grounding increases heart rate variability, so your ability to handle stress. And the last thing that I used to remember, lowers blood pressure. Oh yeah, and it increases insulin sensitivity. So basically, if you've got type 2 diabetes, you need to do is ground, and you remove yourself of type 2 diabetes, and pretty much the entire world is pre-diabetic. Oh, bless him. The entire world is pre-diabetic, if not diabetic. So, one way to fix the world of too high blood sugar from eating shitty food is to ground a little bit every day. And actually, what I started to do now is to ground at night time. I've got a grounding wristband. I've also got the grounding waistband. I haven't used yet, but I've got both. So I put it on my wrist, and I've got a grounding rod, which I can actually show you. Let me show you quickly. So we've got the grounding rod, which I put in the ground here. I prefer them to the electrical plugs, because electric plugs cause static. They're just called dirty electricity problems. I don't like it. So anyway, that's connected to the ground, and it goes much further out. Much further out. It's a very long wire. Then I've got my connections. I've got a double one. Alright, Meta. Don't hold me limelight, please. We're trying to focus on business here, and work and helping people. So there we go. It's connected through these wires to this. I put this wristband on me. If it's just me or myself, I'll put both on. Or if it's with my partner, I'll put it on her. These wristbands are really cool. Now, the company I use is Groundology. It's a UK company that delivers worldwide. They are fucking amazing, man. I used to have them, I lost them, and now I've bought a load more. I've got spares of these too. They're really powerful novelists. As soon as you put them on, it's like grounding. But the thing is, you're grounding inside. With that, which I showed you, which you go extend much further out. It's like, say you're high up in a building. It's like a 13-meter one, you can buy more. I'm actually affiliated with these guys, so I highly recommend, if you want to ground when you sleep, which you should, basically get one of these. The grounding wristbands or the grounding wristbands or the grounding waistband. So that's cool. I'll put the link to that below, to the Groundology stuff. I've bought a load of their stuff and spares because they're that good. And it's so obvious. This material is silver and it's grey, and it just grounds you, man. It's like having a background program of health, which I told you about, I'm obsessed with. So when I sleep, I get all those negative ions. Huge part of my healing the last few days, speeding up the process as well, as dry fasting was wearing this. So there we go. Hope you guys are well, have a lovely day, and ground yourself in the day. But also, the hack is to ground yourself at night too.